Good afternoon, Cowboy fans. We're up and ready for the draft. The draft has started. Houston is on the clock. He has 6 minutes. I'm going to do a quick video here for the draft, and then we'll be back maybe 2 picks, depending on how it goes, or if I have anything important to say before the Cowboys pick. Let's see how that goes. Let's see if anything trade happens before that. A lot of people are saying no, Johnny Manziel should not go to Cowboys. I'm fine with that, but I'm also fine if he does get picked. There's a lot of rumors right now. That's all it could be. If Mayock is right, if he doesn't go in the top 15, he probably won't go in the first round anyway. So let's see what goes in there. The pick has not gone in yet, and there's 5 minutes left. So let's see what happens. We're up and ready here, and we'll see how the draft goes. I'm hoping more defense than offense, honestly. I'm not disagreeing necessarily with Shango. He's the best player available, but still we need to have the defenses, and in a way the best player available for defenses, alright? For defense, not defenses. So let's see how it goes this year. Last year was more offense and a center. So in my opinion, that wasn't a good draft. I told you last year about that, but let's see this year how it goes. Honestly, we need defense. Where it's gone. And the free agency moves that we didn't actually help us in the star material, the star talent. So let's see how they develop. So in a way, what we did in a free agency compared to what we can do right now in the draft is going to be basically the same. So let's see how it goes. And 4 minutes for Houston to make a pick, still not in. So let's see how it goes. We'll talk to you in a bit, an hour or so.